I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a practice sheet for you to write each decimal as a fraction. So we have 6 fractions here. You can pause the video, copy the question, solve, and then check with my solution. Now the question is, write each decimal as a fraction, and these are the 6. We'll do them one by one. As you notice, the first 3 are less than 1, and then we have 3 which are greater than 1. So I will do 2 from each group. First one, 0.25. How do you read this number? It is 25 hundredths, right? It is read as 25 hundredths. That is to say, we could write 0.25 as equals to 25 out of 100. So that becomes a fraction which represents 0.25. You can do the same thing with 0.34 and 0.56. Let me change this number a bit. Let me make it just 0.5, okay? Then show you how to do this. Now it is 5 tenths, right? It is 5 tenths. Do you see that? So 0.5 can be treated as 5 tenths, and that should help, right? Now, so this is for you to do, so you can try it out. At times, we may also ask you to write it in lowest terms. In that case, simplify your fraction and write equivalent fraction. Dividing both by 25, 25 over 100 can be written as 1 out of 4, right? And in this case, 5 out of 10 is same as half, 1 out of 2. Now let's take the numbers which are greater than 1. 1 whole and 32 hundredths. That is what it is. So we could write this as 1 whole and 32 hundredths. So that is one way of doing it. In this way, you write in mixed fraction, or you could also say it is 132 hundredths, right? So that is the other way of doing it. Both are correct. So you could do either. Now in case we want to write them as the lowest fraction terms, you need to simplify this. So that will be an exercise for you. Let me take up 10.72. 10.72 can be written as 10 whole 72 hundredths. Do you get it? Or we could write this as 1072 divided by 100. Both are correct answers. So follow the one which you feel comfortable with, or at times which is required. It all depends on the question. It could be write fraction as a mixed term. It could be fractions in lowest terms. If it is fractions in lowest terms, you need to simplify and then write your answer. I hope that helps to understand the concept. Thank you and all the best.